Hail and well met, friends! Welcome to OCM Hobbies. This is an unboxing video for the Hololive Gawr Gura Nendoroid, which I just totally did not get from a convention just a few days ago. Alright, so little background. The goods my company, it's a Nendos. We pretty much know what to expect. We're just gonna take a look at what's inside, and to make help viewers of this video confirm what you're supposed to be having inside your box. Okay, so this Nendo is it's number 1688. It is the vtuber Gawr Gura from Hololive English. Okay, and let's take a look. All right, so I've kind of cut open things, but this is completely completely sealed from the store. I don't know if they screwed around with it before, but I trust that store. Okay, all right. So this is a completely sealed Gura. Okay, this was released somewhere around 2022, 2023, something like that, I think. I do believe this is part of the re-release. It is 2024. Okay, I kind of missed this on its first go. Okay, as usual with all Gura merch, this thing just gets snapped up really fast, and I was really lucky to find one at a respectable price, mind you. Got this for around equivalent of around $60 US, so that's kind of not bad, I guess, considering how much these things go on the market, the black market or eBay or something these days. Okay, so it's a typical Nendo. You have your Gura figure. That's a cute little background. You have your card. Actually, I remember this from my other Nendos. Okay, that's instruction manual on how to assemble or play around with your Nendo. Okay. I think this thing is taped here somewhere. Okay, it is not. Alright. So come on, Gura, let's go. Your side little pigtails are separate. That is adorable. I've seen pictures of these online. I've never handled one live. Okay, so first the base. Let's look at the base. I see screws. Should I be concerned? No. The screws are just attached to the plastic stands. So yeah, typical base. 2016 Cover Corporation made it. Really. So the base is cover copyrighted. That's interesting. Okay, that does not remind me of any Gura symbols at all. That's weird. Okay, so these are just plastic arms to hold her. Typical Nendo stuff. I'm guessing this is the stand for Bloop, which is her mascot. God bless his soul, wherever he is. And then your neck joint over here. All right, so that's that. Okay, you have her. Wait, alright. So let's take out the main figure. So here you have Gura. You have a little Gura Nendo. Okay. The body set. Of course, it is customizable. It is a Nendoroid. Okay, plastic. So I guess I gotta take off. Oh, cute. So the hood comes off in halves. Hood comes off in halves, apparently. Okay, it's plastic. So this one's hard plastic. This is not vinyl. Right. It's interesting. Okay. So her shark hoodie comes off. Her hair gets in the way. So that's your shark hoodie. Looks like you can put it on any other compatible Nendo with hair that doesn't get in the way. That's adorable. Okay. Gura head in plastic. I think you gotta take off the. You take off the hair. Oh, okay. So you gotta take off the hair first, I think, in order to take off the plastic. But anyway, okay. So your Gura fig, typical hair without her pigtails, because her pigtails are over here. Straight hands. It's Gura. Her tail is articulated. That is adorable. Okay. It's cute to display. Okay. So main figure. 2 extra faces, one angry face and then one smiling face. Okay. That's kind of disappointing. They do not have her classic eyes going in different directions thing, which was a big feature of her 2020 to 2022 thing before they got 3D. Supposedly because she wears glasses, so when the camera captures her, her eyes don't go right. Anyway, so hood, smiley face, angry face. Oh, that is interesting. Hey, so long-time fans should know. Usually Gura just have top teeth. This one has bottom teeth. That's weird. That's usually an anime thing. This one is, wait, here. There you go. This one is bottom teeth over here, which you rarely see. You rarely see the bottom teeth. Okay, and then the other bits. So there is a. So these ones are covered in tape. So first you have the trident. Okay. Funnily, I don't ever see her using. Does she actually have a trident in her 2D, live 2D? Not sure. Okay. I don't remember. Okay, so here is a hand. Oh, it's for holding the trident, I guess. This is a right hand. No, this is a left hand for holding the trident. Here. Just trying to hold it. Okay. And then there are 5 other pieces in the box. 2 alternate bent hands. 1 left and then 1 right with her sleeves. Okay, let's pull out the old one. Which one? I'm putting the right one. There you go. Okay. These one do not look like they're holding the trident, so you gotta take out one of the hands, I guess. I think it's. I'll figure this out there. Yeah. Okay. And then her pigtails. Her cute little pigtails. So this comes in the. So this is of course. Yeah. So here, pigtails. Her iconic pigtails, which in some of her costumes she changes hair. Actually, in most of her costumes she changes hair. This is her default. So this is default Gura over here. Okay. Pigtails. Cute. And of course, hey, look guys, it's Bloop. It's Bloop. They actually have a Bloop. Look at that. Okay, he's in a bubble. And you can, I don't know where he is. The real Bloop. Okay. So there. That's it. That is the contents of the box. Yeah. So that is our unboxing for the Good Smile Company Nendoroid Gawr Gura from 1688 series. Okay, I will be playing around with this, figuring this out. Okay, figuring out where to post her, and yeah. Okay. So that is it. Thank you for watching. If you like what you if what you watch just help you or something, feel free to hit the like button, subscribe, and notification bell, all that stuff, and I will see you in my other videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat